I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix to solve it. If you need to remove a device from your Spectrum Mobile account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Spectrum Mobile website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Devices. Once logged in, find the Devices section in the main menu. This is where all your connected devices are listed. Step 3. Select the device. Locate the device you want to remove from the list and click on it to view its details. Step 4. Remove the device. Look for the Remove Device option, usually found at the bottom of the device details page. Click on it to initiate the removal process. Step 5. Confirm removal. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to remove the device. Make sure to double check that you are removing the correct one, as this action cannot be undone. If you accidentally remove the wrong device, you may need to re-add it, which can be a hassle. Always double check before confirming. I hope this helped you manage your devices easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.